And it's clear, like if you just look around since then, that something new is happening in our industry and far beyond, and it's exciting. And we've done a lot in these last 10 plus months. GitHub Copilot is turning natural language into programming language. I mean, in a market that's dominated by one player, we are striving to breathe some innovation and life into it. It's exciting to be in a place where we are bringing some software innovation and really having fun, enjoying this entire journey. It's all the apps that are being built by partners, whether it's Spotify or Shopify, to the London Stock Exchange, to Epic. Each piece of software, from consumer tech to financial tech to healthcare tech, is changing. To artists who say it sparked their creativity, to all of us as knowledge workers and first-line workers, right, who are able to rid ourselves of just this drudgery of sometimes this work. Whatever, in the last 70 plus years around this computing revolution in the first place. I recently had a chance to reread a book, Bootstrapping, which I think came out perhaps in the early 2000s. To me, there are two real underlying technology breakthroughs with this new generation of AI. This is as significant as the PCs in the 80s, the web in the 90s, mobile in the 2000s, or cloud in the 2010s. Just like you boot up an operating system to access applications. For instance, when you're able to create a PowerPoint presentation, taking advantage of all the conversations you previously had in Teams, Outlook, even the files you have. We are building Copilot into all of our most used products and experiences and allowing you to summon its power as a standalone app as well. From Bing and Edge to Microsoft 365 and the newest version of Windows, today we will show you how Copilot can make your life better. And we're introducing exciting new Surface devices that bring together these innovations and innovation in silicon, hardware, and software all coming together. It simplifies the complexity we face today. You can see this in this picture built by Bing Image Creator, in fact, powered by DALL-E 3. And it's exciting to see this it's kind of like your PC now is kind of becoming your CP. We believe Copilot will fundamentally transform our relationship with technology and usher in a new era of personal computing, the age of Copilots, and an era that uplifts every person, community, industry, and country. I started at Microsoft when our mission was to put a PC in every home and every desk. And today we have a vision for a Copilot that can empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more.
And in many ways, more importantly, a new era in which we're empowered to be smarter, more productive, more creative, and ultimately more connected to the people and the world around us. In this age of AI, which really kicked off for most of us in the past year, I always think we've just got to stop for a second and just sort of look at what has happened. Now, we plan to make Copilot seamlessly available across all of our apps and experiences that you use most. Starting today with one of the most important, Copilot will be available on the Windows 11 desktop. And with a single click, you can launch Copilot, and your AI companion is instantly available. Copilot will also be available across the entire Microsoft 365 offerings. Here you see it in PowerPoint, in Excel, and in Teams, with the power to harness all of your work data and intelligence. And of course, we're going to have Copilot in Edge, ready to help you across your entire web experience. Now, over the next 45 minutes, as Frank said, you got to buckle up, because we are going to show you a lot of new innovation and capability. First up, I'm excited to share that Copilot will begin to roll out as part of a new Windows 11 release starting on September 26th. This release will have over 150 new features, and I believe it's the most ambitious update to Windows 11 since we first released it.
We have built an incredible new Windows 11 set of features that will begin rolling out on September 26th. And today, I'm excited to talk about how Copilot in Windows 11 empowers you to take advantage of all those features and capabilities in an easier and more powerful way. Because Copilot is built into Windows, it has a view across your applications, the web, and even your devices. Ink anywhere, which means you can use your pen to ink in any text box anywhere in Windows 11. With Ink Anywhere and Copilot, you can write complex math equations into the text field and get an answer immediately from my texts on my phone in Windows. I want to catch a play while I'm in New York on that trip. So I asked Copilot to write a text to my husband with the list of plays that are happening. And we aren't just infusing AI into the Windows 11 shell. Windows 11 is the home for innovation and creativity, collaboration and communication, entertainment and education.
Now, we want to dig in a little bit deeper into some of the innovation that we're going to bring to you in Bing Edge. First up, to tell you more about the advancements that we're making in Bing and Edge, I'd like to introduce to you one of the leaders of our search and AI team.
Let's take a quick look at the side-by-side comparison of the new DALL-E 3 model to the previous model. Another thing we've learned is that most of us tend to repeat many of our searches for topics on a regular basis. We each have our interests or hobbies like photography, sports, movies, travel. But modern search and chat rarely take recent activity into consideration when generating a response. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful ways in which Bing and Edge are leveraging AI to transform how people can get things done at work. We launched Bing Chat Enterprise just 2 months ago, and the response has been incredible. Today, I'm excited to announce a new suite of features coming to Bing Chat Enterprise, which is now available in Edge mobile app. I just learned that my client has updated the specs for the building, and I need to redo our pricing and some of the materials we plan to use. Now let's take a look at how we turbocharge your productivity and creativity with Microsoft 365.
And perhaps nowhere is Copilot better poised to tame the complexity, eliminate the drudgery, and help people reclaim time than at work. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant at work. In March, we showed you how Copilot can unlock productivity and unleash creativity in the apps millions of people use every day across work and life. Copilot makes you more creative in Word, more analytical in Excel, more expressive in PowerPoint, more productive in Outlook, and more collaborative in Teams. Today, we're introducing a new hero experience in Microsoft 365 Copilot, going far beyond simple questions and answers to solve your most complex problems at work. Let's take a look. M365 Chat has a deep contextual understanding of you, your job, your priorities, and your organization. It's like having someone attend all your meetings, even the ones you skipped. Read all your emails, including the ones you missed, know what's in every single file, and recall it all at the speed of light. With Sound Like Me in Outlook, Copilot can personalize any email to match your unique style and tone of voice. We want to help everyone learn to work iteratively with AI and get the most out of Copilot. Introducing Copilot Lab. Designer helps you quickly create stunning visuals using some incredible new features powered by OpenAI's DALL-E 3. Bing is great for generating your first image, and soon, Designer integration in Bing will let you fine-tune that image without having to start from scratch. I'm excited to share Microsoft 365 Copilot is now in preview with a select group of consumers and small businesses.
And nowhere does this experience and power of design and hardware, software, and silicon come to life like it does with our Surface devices. We've created some of the most loved and capable devices anywhere in the world over the last 10 years with Surface, and we're excited today to show you what's next.
We started Surface over 10 years ago to inspire people and push the boundaries of what's possible on a Windows PC. Surface Pro 9 5G set the AI benchmark, and now we extend that to Laptop Studio 2. We can't wait to see what you can do with Copilot, Windows 11, and Microsoft 365 on Surface.